Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this particular video. I would like to say happy Boxing Day to each and every one of us. Today is 26th of December 2025. Okay, so I'd like to say happy Boxing Day, happy Merry Christmas season, and a happy prosperous New Year in advance. I hope you had a nice celebration yesterday with your friends and family. We did here, and without further ado, let's head into the video. Now, this is a price review of the Alephium token on Coinmarketcap.com. Currently, we can see that the price of the coin is 0.1145, and we have about 5.11% appreciation from the last price. Okay, so we can see that Alephium is somehow behaving like a stable coin because the price is just hovering around this range from 0.11 to 0.12. It has been hovering around this range, irrespective of Bitcoin's dramatic decline to its $7,000 from around $25,000. Alephium has maintained this stable range. Okay, so when you look at this chart, you can see this is a 24 hours chart. Each candle represents a 24. Each candle represents a day, which builds or forms within 24 hours. So we can see here that we have two inverted hammers here. Before we had this bullish confirmation signal here, the market rallied around a little bit up, but it's being met by this resistance here. I would like to say that this chart is sponsored by TradingView. It has been integrated into Coinmarketcap intuitive platform. Okay, so we have this resistance here. So whenever the price breaks this resistance, the price will rally back to this point to 0.13. Okay, where we have another strong resistance point. But this is not a technical analysis video, but just giving a little of that. Okay, let's head forward. We have the Alephium statistics. Okay, currently we have our market capitalization to be about $14 million, which is a 3.41 percentage decline from yesterday. That's 24 hours. Our volume for the last 24 hours was $204,000. Okay, which is a 6.63 decline from yesterday. Okay, so yesterday was Christmas. It's a holiday period, so lots of people were resting, lots of people traveled. So it's still remarkable that we're able to do $204,000 within the last 24 hours. That's phenomenal. Okay, so currently that's a 6.63 decline from the previous 24 hours of volume. Now our fully diluted volume is $24.74 million. Our total supply is 216 million tokens, ALPH tokens, and our circulating supply is 122 million tokens. Okay, so let's continue to go down. We'll have our website, we'll have our white paper. These are avenues where you can get the official information of Alephium. Okay, when you head to the website alephium.org, you can get every information you need there. Okay, when you get to the white paper, you can get information like our tokenomics, our partnerships, our core team's value and vision, the core team members, everything about Alephium is present in the white paper. So it's your first go-to stop to get information. And then we have our socials. There's nothing you can do without having a social media platform in this current dispensation. So we have the X channel, we have the Reddit channel, we have the Discord channel, we have the Telegram channel, we have the Facebook, we have the GitHub. Okay, these are our active social media handles. Okay, so it depends on your preference, the one you are mostly conversant with. Okay, just head there and join our channel. We have administrators around the clock that can attend to your needs, and we have current updates there 24/7. Okay, so the Telegram group is very active, the Discord group is extremely active, the Reddit, the Twitter, the Facebook, they're all active. So our current rating is 3.9 stars out of 5, which is approximately 4. We have our explorers, we have alephium.org, and we have Etherscan. Okay, alephium.org is okay, let me just call it in full: explorer.alephium.org. This is where you can go to impute your transaction hash ID. Every transaction that has been carried out on the Alephium ecosystem and blockchain can be traced back through the Explorer. Once you impute the transaction hash ID, it will pull up the every information about that particular transaction, the amount of tokens that was sent, the gas fee that was used, the timestamp, everything you need to know will be populated there. You can use that as a legal receipt. Okay, so we have our wallet, we have our proprietary wallet, which is our own Alephium wallet, which is currently available on Google Play Store and Apple Play Store. We also have the desktop variations, which is currently available in macOS and Mac OS and Windows. Okay, we also have the Trezor, which is a hardware wallet. Okay, so our wallet is also compatible with Trust Wallet and MetaMask. Okay, so we continue heading down. We have the market. I would like to point out that we have centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. Okay, so centralized exchanges are exchanges where the exchange administrators need to have a means of identification from you. They'll request it from you, like your ID card, where you have your national ID card, your international passport, your driver's license. All these qualify for a means of identification. And you also have your decentralized exchanges where you can trade anonymously. Okay, just connect your wallet and start trading. Okay, so Alephium has been listed in so many remarkable exchanges, centralized and decentralized exchanges, the best in the world. I would like to say that we have tier one exchanges, we have tier two, tier three exchanges. Graciously, Alephium has been listed in so many tier one exchanges, which shows how dedicated and committed the core team is. So let's run through the exchanges we have been listed on and the volume we've been able to achieve. So currently we have BitGet, which is a tier one exchange. We have been able to carry a transaction in the tune of $17,000 within the last 24 hours. Gate.io have been able to trade $27,758. MAXC have been able to trade $67,503, which is remarkable. Bitmart have been able to trade $12,925. By Economy, we have been able to trade $9,788. I would like to point out that by Economy is carrying out a staking event, which rewards stakers with 35% APR on their platform, where you can stake your tokens and earn passively. So you can head to byeconomy.com and start the staking program. Though our core team is launching our own proprietary staking program, which is going to roll out in the phase 2 of aligned economics, okay, of the Alephium. Staking is coming out from the Core D apps. So get ready for that. CoinX, $3,000. BitUnix, $59,316, which is great. So we'll head to the page 2. When we head to the page 2, we can see non-KYC.io, $20,982. CoinFinex, $50,121, which is remarkable. This is great. I would like to point out that the core team is still having negotiations with other tier one exchanges, so we'll have much more exchange listings, in the likes of Binance, OKX. Our core team is discussing with different exchanges, so expect more listings in the future because people have been asking me, what about Binance? What about OKX? I can't give any official information now, but just know that our core team is working on listing on more exchanges, which shows how dedicated the team is. When you head to decentralized exchanges, you can see Uniswap and PancakeSwap. Uniswap is a product of Ethereum, okay, and PancakeSwap is a big product of Binance Smart Chain. So I've been able to trade approximately $2,600 on Uniswap and about $2 on the PancakeSwap, as reported by Coinmarketcap. Okay, so when you go to all, it will show you to populate the centralized and decentralized exchange, the totals. All this constituted to give the total price of $4,000 were achieved within the last 24 hours. So let's run down to the Alephium news and the community. The community, Alephium community is on CoinMarketCap is very remarkable. We have about 70,080 followers, which is great because on X we have about 51,000 followers. So this is a very great community for the Alephium project. So I will give my votes, which is bullish. So this is great. Okay, so you can always come here. You see the market sentiment. Currently, we have about 88%, which shows a bullish sentiment. Okay, Alephium is in one of its best form. You can buy the token. You can get into the NFTs, decentralized finance. Everything is great with Alephium. We have our proof of less work consensus, which is the best in the market because it's energy efficient. It doesn't consume much energy and it's eco-friendly. It doesn't constitute nuisance to the environment, like causing climate change and global warming. It's eco-friendly. So if you have your mining machines, you can, switch to Alephium. It provides about 87% decline in energy usage compared to traditional proof of work mining machines like the one Bitcoin uses. So Alephium is your go-to. Should be your go-to token when you want to start mining, and it's going to improve your profitability because you're going to pay less on electric fee. Okay, so let's head down to the community. We can see what people are saying around the clock. Waves Army, people are giving their comments. Okay, ALPH is here to outperform the tech, just like I just explained, a truly scalable proof of work layer one with native sharding, real security guarantees, and an ecosystem that keeps leveling up, which is very true. Let me give Ami a thumbs up. Okay, so we keep going down. Messi Snow has given a remarkable comment too. Um, okay, I've given a support before. Let me give my support. Some projects chase attention, others bid quietly until the market notices. Alephium belongs to the second group. Every upgrade reinforces the same message. Long-term security, scalable design, and real decentralization matters as those priorities return to the forefront. Okay, so you can see members of the community coming to make their comment, and the Alephium core team has officially wished the entire world a Merry Christmas celebration. That was on their platform. This is an assemble. So when I click on click more, show more, it's going to like populate and give more comments from the community members. See what I was saying? The best proof of work, it's 7% less energy. This is about Alephium. From Coinmarketcap, you can get a great amount of information about the Alephium project. Okay, you might not necessarily have to um, on the fly. This is just on the fly before I can go in depthly into the white paper or the website to get more information. So you can see that we're able to achieve 20,000 transactions per second, um, which is remarkable and is scalable. Scalable means whenever the network demand increases by users, and the Alephium blockchain, and we automatically adjust its capacity, and we're able to carry out more transactions as the demands increases. Single chain experience. Okay, so we have security by design, sustainable, like I've explained, developers friendly, custom virtual machines and language built for performance. Alephium using the Ralph contract address. I just wanted to point that out. What's Alephium? If I click on this, it will show you more, give you more information. You can read it out. You know, what is the technology behind Alephium? Okay, it's a proof of work layer one blockchain. Proof of work is still qualifies for proof of work. Unspent transaction output. The technology we show here. What are the real world applications of Alephium? Okay, Alephium stands out in the cryptocurrency landscape with its innovative approach to scalability, security, and energy efficiency. Its real-world applications are diverse and impactful, making it a noteworthy player in the blockchain space. You can come here to read this beautiful, information. Who are the founders of Alephium? If you come here, Alephium stands out with its innovative approach, scalability, security, and energy efficiency in the blockchain space. The founders of Alephium include Chen Wang, who, along with other co-founders, bring a robust background into cryptography and distributed computing. The expertise has been instrumental in developing Alephium's unique features, such as its stateful UTXO. UTXO stands for unspent transaction output model, proof of less work, and custom virtual machines, Alfred. These advancements aim to address the challenges faced by decentralized applications, making Alephium a noteworthy project in the cryptocurrency landscape. And that's beautiful. Okay, so this I've touched every aspect of what CoinMarketCap has to offer to the Alephium community. Like I just gave an overview. You can come to the About Alephium to get much more in-depth information, or head to our white paper website. You know, so that's it. Okay. So please, I would like to say, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your questions. I'll be glad to answer your questions. Or you can head to our Telegram groups or Discord channels or X handles to ask your questions. We have administrators around the clock that will be able to answer your questions in real time. Okay. So and with that, that will bring an end to this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate. And once again, Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year in advance. I'm out. Take care of yourself. Bye.